Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10s and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all we will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display. Now let's find the eye comfort mode here and tap on it. And in order to be able to customize it with the color temperature, we have to tap on turn on now. So let's tap on the switcher, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or maybe amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. Now, what's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this mode is perfect for you. So right here we can customize it. We've got the color temperature, the intensity of the feature. Right now it is, let's say, more or less in the middle, and by going to the left we can make it much cooler. I would say it's almost invisible, and by going to the right, much warmer. It's really yellow. As you can see, currently we've got this turn on now option applied, which simply means that we can manually operate on this mode. So we can manually turn it on or off, but we can make it automatic. So let's tap on the switcher here to the automate schedule and tap on schedule plan. As you can see, here we've got another two different options. So we've got a custom schedule. We can freely pick the turn on and off time, or we can set from sunset to sunrise, and it simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are probably network based. But let me show you using the custom schedule. So for example, we can turn it on at, for example, I don't know, we can turn it on around 3. Tap on OK, and as you can see, actually immediately the screen turns yellow again. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time, so this is how it works. But let me actually turn off this option. I want to keep it manual, let's say. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully in order to be able to check this panel. And as you can see, after swiping, you've got this eye comfort icon, which is currently of course turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on it, and turn it on again just by tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your TCL Tab 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.